Hello crafters! We're going to be making a fall greeting card with a take-home craft kit from Salem Public Library, Salem, Ohio. The kit includes all materials to make the craft, and if you want to pick one up and you're in the Salem, Ohio area, just come to the library at 821 East State Street and come on into the Adult Circulation Department and request your kit. Kits are available on a first-come, first-served basis. Gather these supplies to make the craft: scissors, double-sided craft tape and/or craft glue, and any additional embellishments you happen to have around the house that you'd like to add. The crafting skill for this program is, for this project is beginner. Let's get started by placing all card design items on a flat table. You can plan your card by rearranging the materials on the card until you decide just how you want your card to look. Do you have any other embellishments you would like to include? You could add those to your arrangement. Now, the papers included in this kit are double-sided, so you have options on which design to use for your card. Select one side of the papers to use to cut out a pumpkin. A pumpkin pattern is also included in your kit. The next step is to attach a background paper to the card. Trim it to the size you desire and attach it to your card. Then attach the pumpkin to the card. Now you can add embellishments from the kit and any you have from home to add finishing touches to the card. Make sure all parts of the card are attached securely to the card. Look how cute that is. I'm sure yours will be just as cute. Don't forget to send it to someone that you care about. Thanks for participating in this craft kit. Hope you'll tune in October to see what we've got going on there for a craft kit. And we'd love to see you at the library. Thank you. Bye-bye.